Most people think building a massive stock portfolio requires hours of daily trading, reading confusing charts, and constantly stressing over market crashes. But the wealthiest investors don't active trade. They build machines that do the work for them. In this video, we're breaking down the exact 3-step blueprint to automate your dividend income so you can make money while you sleep, literally. Let's dive in. Step 1 is picking the right assets. You aren't looking for volatile tech startups. You want dividend aristocrats or kings. Companies that have not only paid, but increased their dividends for 25 to 50 consecutive years. Think of companies that provide things people must buy every single day, no matter what the economy looks like. The trap many beginners fall into is chasing the highest yield. If a stock pays a 12% dividend, but its stock price is crashing, you're losing money. Look for a sustainable yield between 2% and 5% with a healthy payout ratio. Step 2 is where the magic happens. Turning on DRIP, or the Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Instead of taking your dividend cash and letting it sit idle, DRIP automatically uses that cash to buy more shares, or even fractional shares, of the company that just paid you. This creates a compounding loop. More shares create bigger dividends, which buy even more shares. You aren't adding any extra money out of pocket, but your money machine is growing bigger every single quarter on autopilot. Step 3 is removing human emotion entirely through automated dollar-cost averaging. Set up a recurring transfer from your paycheck into your portfolio every week or every month. It doesn't matter if the market is at an all-time high or a temporary low. When the market is down, your automated deposit buys shares on sale. When the market goes up, your portfolio value skyrockets. By automating this, you eliminate the temptation to time the market, which is where most investors lose. The math behind this is simple, but the hardest part is patience. In the beginning, the progress feels slow, but after a few years, the snowball effect becomes unstoppable. If you want to master the art of compound interest and build true financial freedom, hit the like button and subscribe to Compound Crest. Leave a comment below. Are you currently reinvesting your dividends automatically? See you in the next video.